In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on advanced features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use the switcher at the top to activate it. Last but not least, after tapping on one of those ways to reduce display size width, follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. If you want to change placement of your screen, you can use this icon on the left or on the right. Hold this line at the top to drag your screen and even resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. If you want to go back to standard size screen, all you need to do is click on this area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!